How you guys doing? My name is Jared Ison. I work for Sortimo by Knapheide, and today we're talking about a 2016 Ford Transit medium roof 148-inch wheelbase with our Sortimo interior on the inside. Sortimo is a German company, came from 1973. First thing you're going to notice here is our end panels are actually made of a composite material. Still very strong and sturdy, but gives you weight-saving capabilities. Our system is about modularity and flexibility. It's about getting the things from the job site to the van and back and forth, being efficient. You'll see some of our vans here. So our bins, they're removable. They have slides in the middle. They lock onto the shelf, two positions. Very flexible. We've got dividers at the very top. On our shelves here, they have a removable lip. This lip can actually come off, and this shelf can be adapted to fit these type of boxes that you see here. This right here is one of our other type boxes called a T-box. T for a transparent lid. The box gives you the flexibility. It has a channel system, so you can actually remove parts to the box, close it, and the box still has the versatility, and everything stays where it needs to stay. Stuff is very sturdy, withstands heavy weight, withstands the wear and tear of the job every day. And then when you're done with it, the box locks onto the shelf. This is what's called our L box, locking, 2-inch padlock on each side. Has the ability to click together to another box as you see here on this other side right here. So you can click them together, you can take them onto the work site, you can have them kitted for a particular job. The boxes have different type of insets on the inside, so you can organize your tools and your parts. And you can see we have a variety of boxes here of different sizes. We have ways like dollies and carts that you can put the boxes on, so you can take them from the van to the actual work site itself. Our shelving also has the flexibility that it can go up and down easily. So with minimal time, 5 minutes, you can adjust the shelf up, you can move it down, you can remove it all together. It really just depends on what you need for your job. We have lift flaps and drop down doors so that you can store larger items onto the shelf. And as well as more storage capabilities right here. The great part about our end panel system is you have the ability to have boxes like this. This is called our iBox. You have the ability to click this on the side of the end panel, and with one hand, you can lock it, and you can take it away with you to the work site. Our Bulkhead is an industry exclusive. It comes from an ABS plastic. It gives you a full travel of both your driver and your passenger seat. From a heating and cooling perspective, instead of heating and cooling the entire van, you're heating and cooling the front of the van only. From a Bluetooth usability, because we use composite materials and metal, you don't get the traditional steel rattle in the back. You combine our shelving with our Bulkhead, you can have a Bluetooth phone conversation up front, and it's like you don't even have any cargo in the back. And lastly, it does meet all the federal requirements for impact, so it keeps you safe up at the front. So, thank you for taking the time to take a look at us today. And once again, Sortimo by Knapheide.